Do you want to make money online? Do you want to escape 9-to-5 grind? Do you want to achieve financial freedom? Do you want to make money while traveling around the world? Then you're in perfect place. Welcome to the Buck Online channel, your ultimate destination for all things money-making in the online world. Today we dive deep into the realm of financial freedom as we unveil the secrets to making money online, right from the comfort of your own home. If you want to make 6 figures per month, wait till the end for a secret. So if you're ready, let's jump right into it. Method number 1. Freelancing. Are you a talented writer, graphic designer, or programmer? There's a massive demand for your skills out there. Join popular freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, and let your creativity soar while making some serious bucks. Method number 2. E-commerce. Ever dreamed of running your own online store? With platforms like Shopify or Etsy, you can turn that dream into a reality. Sell your unique products to customers worldwide, and watch your bank account flourish. Method number 3. Content creation. Whether it's through blogging, vlogging, or podcasting, the world is hungry for captivating content. Build your online presence, attract a dedicated audience, and monetize your passion through ads, sponsorships, and more. Method number 4. Affiliate marketing. Imagine making money by simply recommending products you love. By joining affiliate programs and sharing unique links, you earn a commission for every purchase made through your influence. It's a win-win for both you and the vendor. Method number 5. Online courses and digital products. Share your knowledge and expertise with the world by creating and selling online courses, e-books, or digital templates. You'll not only make money but also empower others to achieve their dreams. Okay, now it's time for the secret. Are you ready? Before I reveal the secret, I want you to hit the like. Well, here's the secret to make 6 figures per month. I gave a link down in the description. Go click on the link and find out how to make 6 figures per month. Once you click on the link, it's gonna transform your life forever. These are just a few of the incredible ways to make money online. The possibilities are endless, my friends. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, persistence, and a hunger for learning. So, are you ready to embark on this remarkable journey? Subscribe to Buck Online, hit that notification bell. In that way you won't miss out on any online money-making methods. And join our community of online moneymakers. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to financial freedom, one click at a time. Buck Online, your gateway to financial independence in the online world.